Hey guys, time for today's restore video. Surprising number of fans have sold for the dead of winter, but not these little ones over here. They're still there. Back here, a couple of low profiles on a Minka that haven't gone out yet. Let's see if there's anything in back of interest. I don't think there is, other than the pile, of course. Hugger, craft made. Turn of the century, turn of the century. A lot of stuff from this Hugger section sold, and we've put some new stuff out. That little Cool Breeze is still here. These two black ones went out today. I took the light off this SMC to see if it would sell better. I always kind of like these. That's still here. That's still here. Those two are still here. The low profile sold. A lot of them from over here sold. I can't remember all what we had over here, but a lot of them sold. This Halsey thing went out today. This Emerson went out today. This Casablanca Next Generation or Pasadena, whatever they're called, went out today. This Craft Made's still here. This GE Vent's still here. Hunter Air Max is still here. This Little Hampton Bay's still here. Glass housing thing still here. This Westinghouse went out today, and these CECs are still here. So you can see stuff's been selling, but it's also been coming in. Nothing too interesting coming in, though. This is kind of mostly generic-y stuff. And the most recent cool thing that came in was that Crompton Greaves, and that Zephyr 3, and yeah, I think that's about it. This vintage lamp's pretty cool. Okay, thanks for watching.